Now here's a quick wrap up on the coronavirus pandemic. This morning, there are 21,628 cases of the coronavirus in the state of Florida, with 571 deaths statewide. In South Florida, Miami-Dade County has 7,712 cases, and there are also 143 deaths in Miami-Dade. Broward has 3,261 cases, along with 81 deaths. And Monroe County has 64 cases with 3 deaths. 2 residents at a Pompano Beach senior living facility have died from COVID-19, and 5 others have tested positive for the virus. That information came from a spokesperson for the Court at Palm Air community. The spokesperson said 5 residents are under quarantine at a hospital. They also say they are working with the city of Pompano Beach to minimize the spread of the virus and monitoring all residents and staff during regular temperature checks. Dozens and dozens of people already lined up outside Hard Rock Stadium for another day of coronavirus testing. Chopper 4 was over the stadium a short time ago. The site will open at 9 this morning, and up to 400 people will be tested. There is no age limit. You must have symptoms or have been around someone who has the virus. President Donald Trump is freezing funding to the World Health Organization pending a review of its response to the coronavirus pandemic. Meantime, governors across the country are starting to map out how they will reopen their states. This comes a day after the president claimed it was up to him to reopen states. President Trump now says he will be working with the governors on a plan to reopen their states. Some Americans may be receiving their stimulus money today. United States Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin says roughly 80 million Americans will receive money from the government, hoping to help ease the financial crunch caused by the coronavirus pandemic. Most of the money will be received via direct deposit. The Treasury Department says the first batch of paper checks will be going out next week. And that's a look at some of your coronavirus headlines. Make sure to join us later for CBS4 News at noon and get updates anytime on CBSMiami.com.